Here's an example how to set up metafields in an older theme like Debut, for instance. You can see we're using this here in this store. Pretty much a similar process. So what you do is you go down here into settings, and then you go into metafields again, and then we'll do it in products again. And I actually set one up already, so I'll just show you what I got. This product.metafields my metafields dynamic text. That's what we're going to access later. You'll see that in a minute. So we'll open this up, and then it's just gave it a name of dynamic text. It's of type text, and we'll just close that. So that's already set up. So what we got to do next in this case, since you can't really do it in the theme itself, you have to go into the theme files and do it right in the liquid. Anyways, so what I did is I went to the first I went to the product.liquid, right? And then you can see here it uses this section, product.template. So if we click in the sections here, and then product.template.liquid, and then where you add it, really depends on what you want to use. I'm just doing a real simple example here, just to show you how to put some text in. And I just put it right here, and it's basically at the top of the page. But here's the liquid code. It's just a conditional. And remember, I mentioned this name, this whole name here, product.metafields. That's how we call the metafields itself. And then my metafields.dynamic text is the namespace and the value. So we're just checking if this condition is true. So if there's a metafield that we set up there, and then I just put in a paragraph tag without any styling or anything, and it'll display whatever that text is. So now if we go back into our theme here, whoops, wrong spot. If we go back into our theme, and we'll go into products, and then we go in to the first test product they give you. Scroll down to the bottom, and then you can see here's the metafield, and I just gave it this is dynamic text, so we kind of see that. And then I just duplicated this other product just so we can see the difference in how it's working. And then this one I put different dynamic text. And then if we go over here into the actual store itself, if we click on this product here, you'll see this is dynamic text. And then if we go back to the other one, you'll see it's different dynamic text. But that's just a real quick explanation how you start going about doing it in an older theme. And unfortunately, you do have to do it in the liquid, and you need to have a little bit of an understanding of liquid, how to do that. I'll refer to a really great book later in the article to help you with liquid if you want to learn more about that.